In this video, we will cover how you can add amazing visualizations in your spreadsheet with Allwis. So for example, here we have a profit and loss statement that's in Excel. And now I want to create an IBCS chart from this. IBCS stands for International Business Communication Standards that enable you to communicate business information in a clearer way. So I can just select from the chart category here, IBCS. Then I can specify I want to use Excel data. In addition, I could also use LLM prompts for one or multiple LLMs that are selected to either use that data on its own or use it in conjunction with my Excel data. If I just want the Excel data, I can just select the range. Then the only thing I need to do is generate chart. And this will generate now the IBS chart that's linked with this range in Excel. And you see you have perfect formatting for all the items within a second here in Excel. That's one example. The next example is a more exotic chart type, a Sankey chart. Again, so here I have a data set with Sankey values. So a breakdown of how, for example, some marketing activities get broken up. And again, I can just use the wizard here, select the type that I want to use. In this case, it's the Sankey. Specify again, I want to use Excel data as an input. Select the, oops, it was already selected. I just do it quickly again. Now I have the range selected, generate chart. And I see I get my chart and can immediately add this to Excel. Also have formatting options here. So all the details in the charts I can change to my requirements. The final example, I quickly want to show how you can work with the charts where the data is not in Excel. So for example, here we say, give me the most useful visualization for GDP in Europe. And again, I go back. Now I specify here what I want to see. This is a GDP visualization. But now I want to use the LLM. And maybe I'm choosing a different one. Let's choose GPT-5 Mini. So as you can see, you can also see Allwis automatically ranks the LLMs. And I click on generate chart. So, and here we get now the chart that I can immediately add into Excel. So here we see now the overall GDP per country with the horizontal bars, and then by color code the GDP per capita, all generated within a few seconds perfectly in Excel.